Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Himatsingka Seide. Our analyst retains positive stance on Himatsingka Seide with potential upside of 28% over the next 12 months. India's market share in the US home textile exports improved to 45% for 10 months calendar year 23 for bedsheet and 37% for 10 towel from 34% and 36% respectively in calendar year 22. Further, cotton prices have corrected by 45% from highs to rupees 55,000 per candy, and supply costs have also established compared to the pandemic era, supporting margins. Himatsingka is seeing a progressive improvement in performance in FY24 post a dull show in FY23. Moreover, it focuses on substantially bringing down debt in next 2 to 3 years. Gradual recovery in export demand, expanding client base, growing presence across new markets, and cooling of input prices would drive revenue growth and margin expansion in the near term. Himatsingka is our preferred pick in the home textile space, owing to its strong growth prospect and attractive valuation of 7 times FY25 and 6 times FY26 estimated EV by EBITDA. Next, we have an update on NMDC. Our analyst retains buy rating on NMDC with a revised price target of Rs 245. The company's earning outlook remains strong and has further improved given a steep price hike, which is 20% to 26% for lump and fines over September 23 to January 24, and robust iron ore sales volume, which is up by 21% year-on-year in 9th month FY24. We believe that the company is on track to achieve its production guidance of 47 to 49 metric ton and greater than 50 metric ton for FY24 and FY25, supported by likely higher supplies of 2 MTPA and 2.3 MTPA from Bacheli and Kumarswamy mines. We thus expect NMDC to clock 15% EBITDA, 19% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY26, along with high ROE of 23 to 24%. Moreover, demerger of the steel business will reduce capital intensity and should lead to re-rating as financial remains robust. Valuation of 5.2 times FY26 EV by EBITDA is reasonable. Stock offers healthy dividend yield of 4 to 5%, and it has high cash of Rs 13,919 crore or 22% of its current market capitalization. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.